Hello students, welcome to your biology class. In the previous video, we discussed about the models of the plasma membrane, like we discussed unit membrane model, sandwich model, and then fluid mosaic model. Today we will discuss about the functions of cell membrane or plasma membrane. You know, plasma membrane is very important part of the cell. It's do loads of functions for the cell. Let's see what are these. वन बाय वन एक बार हम सभी फंक्शंस के बारे में बात करते हैं सेल के जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन के जो इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस है. द फर्स्ट फंक्शन of cell membrane that is written here is compartmentalization. Means the cell membrane makes the compartments, means it separates the cell from another cell and as a membrane of a cell organelles, like cell के बाहर कवरिंग की फॉर्म में प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्रेजेंट है, उसी तरीके से सेल के जितने भी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं जो मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स हैं उनके बाहर भी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन लाइक कवरिंग प्रेजेंट है. सो इट्स मेक कवरिंग outside the cell as well as outside the each cell organelle also. So it's make a compartmentalization, means it separates the organelles from the external environment and it keeps the cell away from its external environment so that they can keep in their identity. हर किसी सेल की, हर एक ऑर्गेनेल की खुद की एक आइडेंटिटी बनी रहे, खुद की एक कवरिंग बनी रहे, उसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है कि उनके ऊपर एक कवर प्रेजेंट हो. दैट कवर इज मेड बाय the plasma membrane or cell membrane. So this is the first important function of the plasma membrane. Second function, that is it provide protection. Cell membrane provide protection of the cell from injury. सेल को अगर बाहर से कोई इंजरी अगर हो रही है उसे प्रोटेक्शन देने का काम कर रही है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. So it's provide protection against injury. Third, it keeps cell together by making the junctions. That is another important function of the cell membrane. That it keeps the cells together. It holds the cells, two or more than two cells with each other. Like when two cells are very near to each other, they need to be communicate the substances between each other. जब दो cells एक दूसरे के connection में present होती हैं, पास प्रेजेंट होती है, तो बहुत सारे सब्सटेंसेस का उन्हें एक्सचेंज करना होता है, जिसके लिए उनके बीच में कुछ ना कुछ जंक्शंस या कुछ ना कुछ एक कनेक्शन होना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड दैट कनेक्शंस आर नॉन एज सेल जंक्शंस. इन्हें हम बोलते हैं जंक्शन, सेल जंक्शंस. तो इस तरीके के कुछ जंक्शंस हैं जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन फॉर्म करती है सो दैट द सेल्स कैन केप्ट टुगेदर विद ईच अदर. लाइक इसके एग्जांपल्स है बहुत तरीके के जंक्शंस यहाँ पे, टाइट जंक्शंस, गैप जंक्शन, इंटरडिजिटेशंस टाइप. So we will discuss about all these type of junctions also, but here let's take a look. Suppose this is one cell, एक सेल ये है, and this is the another cell. ये एक और दूसरी सेल है. ये दोनों सेल्स एक दूसरे के साथ एक तरीके की एक कनेक्शन फॉर्म करेगी. लाइक अगर हम इंटरडिजिटेशंस का एग्जांपल देखते हैं, दे फॉर्म मेक सम इनफोल्ड्स लाइक दिस kind of infolds, and this cell will also make infold with this. This infolds are formed by these their plasma membrane. ये infolds जो बन रहे हैं वो बन रहे हैं इनकी plasma membrane की वजह से, जिसकी वजह से ये दोनों cells एक दूसरे के साथ एक कनेक्शन में प्रेजेंट रहती हैं. They can easily transmit substances from each other. So this is very important function of plasma membrane. The plasma membrane keeps cell together by making junctions. Next, fourth important function of plasma membrane is movement of substances. Plasma membrane allow the movements to come inside the cell or go outside the cells. It works as a selectively permeable membrane that we already studied about it, that this is the main characteristic property of the plasma membrane, that it works as a selectively permeable membrane. So it allow only selected material to come inside the cell or go out the cell. So here the selectively permeable property of the cell membrane works here, by which it allow the movements of substances across the cell membrane. Next, they have receptors for certain hormones. On the surface of the plasma membrane, like suppose this is a cell, this is one cell, and this is the plasma membrane of this cell. At this plasma membrane, at the surface of these plasma membranes, some specific type of receptors are present. कुछ special type के receptors present रहते हैं इन plasma membrane की surface पे. And these receptors work as receptors for certain hormones. When hormones need to be reached at these target sites, at these target cells, hormones bind with these receptors. इन receptor के साथ hormone आके bind हो जाते हैं, and by binding with these receptors, here the permeability of plasma membrane gets changed. जैसे ही hormones bind होंगे, plasma membrane की permeability change हो जाएगी, जिसकी वजह से internal changes जो materials जो है substances का intake start हो जाएगा. और या फिर एक और दूसरा मेथड यहाँ पे होता है कि when hormones bind at the receptors of this plasma membrane, it creates some internal changes. यहाँ पे एक cyclic event start होता है, adenylate cyclase जिसे बोलते हैं enzyme adenylate cyclase, जो CAMP cyclic AMP form करता है, and this cyclic AMP triggers many events inside the cell. So this is one more important function, that due to the presence of receptor of certain hormones, the different functions of the cell can be performed. Means ये receptor के साथ hormone bind होंगे, जिससे cell membrane की permeability change हो सकती है, या फिर internally एक cyclic event start हो सकती है in the form of cyclic AMP. Next function, they have carrier protein. The plasma membrane, as we already discussed about the structure of plasma membrane in the fluid logic model. In the fluid logic model, we have seen they have two types of protein: external protein or internal protein, intrinsic and extrinsic. ये जो proteins होते हैं, these proteins work as subspecific type of protein. They can work as a carrier protein also. Carrier proteins means which works for the transportation of substances from outside to inside or inside to outside. So these proteins are also present in the plasma membrane, by which they can transmit the substances. So they have carrier proteins which help in the transportation. Next, plasma membrane makes infolds for the bulk transport. हमने यहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से रिलेटेड देखा, सेमी परमेबल प्रॉपर्टी के थ्रू मूवमेंट हो रही है सब्सटेंसेस की, कैरियर प्रोटीन्स के थ्रू ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो रही है सब्सटेंसेस की. बट अगर प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन को एक बल्क ट्रांसपोर्ट करना है, मींस लार्ज साइज ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आर नीड टू बी कम इनसाइड द सेल और गो आउटसाइड द सेल, उस टाइम पे प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन प्ले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. It does some important type of processes that is known as endocytosis or exocytosis. In the form of endocytosis and exocytosis, plasma membrane can intake the substances or can release the substances outside the cell membrane. We will discuss about it in more detail. So just keep remember here that the process's name is endo or exocytosis. Endocytosis. Endo means inside. When the substances are coming inside the cell, then it is known as endocytosis, and exocytosis is the process when substances are moving outside the cell through plasma membrane. Okay. Next, form modifications like microfilari. Plasma membranes can form some specific type of modifications. These modifications can be present between two cells, या तो दो cells के बीच में modifications हो सकते हैं, और these modifications can be present at the one surface of the cells. Like in the case of digestion, when you studied about the human digestive system, आप सबने पढ़ रखा है human digestive system, उसमें हम देखते हैं कि after digestion of the food, the nutrients are absorbed inside the small intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में न्यूट्रिशन का अब्जॉर्प्शन होता है. क्यों होता है? क्योंकि इंटेस्टाइन में जो मेम्ब्रेन्स हमारे प्रेजेंट है, इंटेस्टाइन की जो मेम्ब्रेन्स है, वहां पे जो सेल्स हैं, दीज सेल्स हैव स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टी. उन सेल्स में क्या होता है कि दीज सेल्स फॉर्म सम फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस. वहां पे कुछ ऐसे फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस प्रेजेंट होते हैं सेल के ऊपर. लाइक दिस इज वन सेल. इफ वी ड्रॉ वन मोर सेल, इट आल्सो हैज सम फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन, एंड दिस इज वन मोर सेल. These finger-like projections are known as microvilli. These are the microvilli. What is the function of these microvilli? ये जो microvilli हैं, these are the finger-like projections of the plasma membrane so that the surface area can be increased. यहाँ पे एक comparison देखिए. Suppose one cell has such kind of surface. एक तो इस surface से किसी भी cell membrane को कुछ absorb करना है. यहाँ पे सरफेस एरिया बहुत कम है एज कंपेयर टू सच टाइप ऑफ मॉडिफिकेशन. सो टू इंक्रीज द सरफेस एरिया, plasma membrane forms such type of modifications. These finger like modifications, these are known as microvilli. So microvilli are present in the case of some specific cells, and the plasma membrane forms these microvilli so that surface area of the cell can be increased for the absorption. So this is a specific modification which is seen in some specific cells so that they can do better absorption. Next, that is transmission of nerve impulses. In the case of nerve cells, plasma membrane play a very important role in the transmission of nerve impulses. You already know about the structure of neurons that have the end of the neurons have some specific structures, synaptical vesicles are formed there. They get fused with the dendrites of another neuron by their plasma membrane, and here the plasma membrane works very important role for the transmission of nerve impulses. So nerve impulses can be transmitted with the help of plasma membrane. Besides all these functions, plasma membrane also play very important role in some another organisms, like in the case of amoeba, where plasma membrane forms pseudopodia-like structures which is useful for the capturing of food and movement, and it also forms food vacuoles by which food can be taken inside and it can be released outside through the plasma membrane. So these are the some important functions of the plasma membrane. Besides all these functions, we need to know some important functions in more detail. हमने यहाँ पे एक overview देख लिया सभी तरीके के functions का, but the most important function of the plasma membrane is its transport function. तो अभी हम membrane transport को और ज़्यादा detail में पढ़ेंगे. In the next video, we will discuss about the membrane transport in more details. So keep studying, keep learning, and keep watching our video. Thank you.